So some of the hardware problems you might encounter. So these prototype breadboards are great. They're very handy for doing prototypes, for checking out your circuits, but sometimes the contacts can get loose. Over time, constantly plugging in and out, contacts get loose. You got to watch for that. Particular problem I had with this particular setup was these reed switches are very handy, great, and they're perfect for actually going into a printed circuit board. As you can see, short legs means you don't have too much snipping, and that's very handy. However, the shorter legs meant it wasn't making full electrical contact on the breadboard. So what I use is these reed switches, which have longer legs, bend them over and they fit in nice and handy. Another issue I discovered, I like to use these solid wire pieces to make kind of jumpers across gaps here, as you can see here and here. But I had one here, and because it was quite short on one side, it wasn't making full electrical contact. So there are a few of the hardware issues one might encounter. If we look at some of the software issues that can occur. In the code now there is 0 delay, and we get it off, get it on. But it's kind of glitchy, as you can see. With a 200 millisecond delay, we see what happens. It's just flicking back, it's just too quick. I can't get my hand away quick enough. Okay, 400 milliseconds works a bit better. Turns it off. Turns it back on again. Go the other direction. Turns it off. Well, not quite. Turns it off. If I need to get your hand away quick. Turns it back on again, but you see, it's flicking back and forwards. Okay, so we try a 500 millisecond delay. Again, need to be quick with the hand. And that's a bit better. So it's kind of a sweet spot. And you might say, well, let's go for a delay of 1 second, 1,000 milliseconds. So what happens? Again, you need to hold it there long enough so as it's part of the second that it's on, if you know what I mean. Put it away, but it comes back on again. That kind of worked. But again, it's just too glitchy.